Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix mobile data not working on your any Android device. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So if you are using any Android mobile and your mobile data is not working, so in this video I will show you how to fix it. So first of all, swipe down and open control center, and from here turn on the airplane mode, and after a few seconds turn it back off, and after that turn on your mobile data and check if it's working or not. So if it's still not working, then the second solution is open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on mobile network. Now here in mobile network, click on your data SIM, and from here click on preferred network type. Now from here, if you have chosen the 2G or any other option, then select the first option, and after that your mobile data will start working properly. But if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings. Scroll down to the end and here click on additional settings. Now here scroll down and click on backup and reset, and then click on reset mobile. Now from here click on reset network settings, and after that enter your lock screen password. Now again click on reset network settings to confirm. So when you click on reset network settings, it will reset all your network settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So after that your mobile data will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.